Okay, so today's lunch is going to be pad thai chicken, and this is by Backpacker's Pantry, and it comes with a couple things that you have to add after it's been sitting for a while with hot water. So I've added the hot water. It's probably been about 10-15 minutes or so. So now let's open it up. Looks to be reconstituting. We have to add some of the things. So it looks like this is like some, I think, curry powder. All right. Let's get this in there. This is the only dehydrated meal I've ever had to add stuff to it. This is peanut butter. So obviously, if you're allergic to peanuts, curry powder, this would not be for you. But this is supposed to be a Thai dish. Some peanuts. So this says remove discouraged oxygen absorber. I did that already. There's peanut lime, sriracha, peanut butter packet. Okay. So let's stir it. It's probably, because it says 2 cups of water, probably gonna need a little more. I just guesstimate the water. Honestly, I don't measure it, you know. It's not, I don't find it to be that necessary. Okay. So, the moment of truth. It's got some noodles. So it just kind of looks like that. Honestly, that tastes like a Thai restaurant. I mean, for dehydrated, I wasn't sure about this one, to be honest, but this is pretty good. Well, there you go, folks. Pad Thai with chicken. There's a video for you. It's from Backpacker's Pantry. If you get a chance, try to check it out. Make sure to like the video, share the video, let others know. Don't forget, I got a whole series of videos. This is a particular playlist that is on YouTube and Facebook, and all these foods are in different articles. Like I have the camping foods article there on ExploreTraveler.com that's got most of the videos in there. So check it out and let me know what you think.